Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best flip chairs that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Giantex 5-Position Adjustable Flip Chair. You can't go wrong with the Giantex 5-Position Flip Chair. Getting this flip chair will be like getting 5 separate furniture pieces at once. This thing is so versatile. You can use it as a sofa, a lounger, a two-seater, a mattress with a headrest, or you can just simply lay it out flat. These are the 5 configurations of the Giantex 5-Position Adjustable Flip Chair. It requires no assembly, and it's as good as ready right out of the box. The quality of the foam cushion itself is on the firmer side, but this is purposeful to produce a more ergonomic design that supports your back. To achieve the 5-form configuration, this Giantex 5 flip chair uses a metal, checkerboard frame that locks into place with the use of well-designed interlocking mechanisms. At number 4. Milliard Trifold Sofa Bed Flip Chair. The Milliard Trifold Sofa Bed Flip Chair is an awesome addition to this list of the best flip chairs. It looks simple and elegant. It works well as a sofa for your living room, especially if you regularly have friends or family spending the night. As a lounger, it's soft and has a low profile. It's great for watching TV and movies or for playing video games. This Trifold sofa bed comes with a soft fabric cover that feels good on your skin. The cover is machine washable too. Inside, it's filled with a firm Milliard foam that offers consistent support. As a mattress, it's sufficiently comfortable, and because of the high-quality foam and cover material, it's also quite durable. This is a good sofa bed for your home, especially if you are an apartment dweller. At number 3. Lucid Folding Mattress Sofa. This Lucid Folding Mattress Sofa is not pulling any punches. It does both jobs of being a sofa and a mattress very well. In its sofa configuration, it's a comfy low-profile couch, and once you spread it open, it becomes a very inviting mattress for naps or a full good night's sleep. The cover is made out of easy-to-clean, washable fabric. It offers very comfortable support, with its 2-layer foam, the top layer being a gel-infused memory foam. It helps with back support as well as temperature regulation. It's also very portable, and you can bring it with you anywhere. You can take it camping or on road trips. It's easy to bring along because it has a couple of very strong handles for carrying and moving it. At number 2. LZ Leisure Zone 5-Position Lazy Sofa. This lazy sofa from LZ Leisure Zone looks amazing. Just by looking at it, you'll feel like you're melting into its cushions. That's how good this looks. It's comprised of 2 cushion panels, a backrest and a seat. Both panels are designed similarly, with a rounded, puffed-up outer region with a slightly depressed middle part. This design feature makes the whole thing much more comfortable to sit on. Lounging in this chair feels like you're being hugged by cushions. The backrest reclines in 5 different angles for optimum relaxation. You can pretty much sleep on this as a bed, but its shorter length doesn't offer full body support. You'll probably have to dangle your feet off the cushion and let your legs rest on the floor or grab a pillow or a cushion to support your legs. At number 1. Merax Adjustable Fabric Folding Lounge Sofa. If you're looking for something that's more like a futon, then the Merax Adjustable Fabric Folding Lounge Sofa is for you. It's a multifunctional foam sofa that's perfect for watching TV, playing video games, or sleeping. It has a very low profile and is mostly a floor lounger rather than a regular height sofa. It's lightweight and can be brought along for vacations. You can even take it with you to work if you are allowed some relaxation time in your office. Its cover is soft linen, which is very easy to clean. The backrest actually has 5 angles of recline, starting from a 90-degree angle down to a fully flat profile for the bed configuration. Get this futon for your pad or room if you want to gain more living space. This is also perfect for those who want to sleep on the floor much like how the traditional Japanese do. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.